Good morning, everyone. My name is Francesco Lipari. I'm an architect based in Sicily. I spent half of my life in Rome, where I started my own practice. I lived also in China for 2 years, between Shanghai and Beijing. Then I moved back to Sicily in 2016, and I started making projects that connect people. First of all, thank you very much to the Innovation Fair at the Aleph School for the invitation. I hope you'll enjoy this presentation. I think the Innovation Fair will be super cool and you'll enjoy a lot. This presentation is called The Emotional City because it represents part of my project, the research one. I think that cities must be something that connect people, that connect the needs of people. I think that architecture is not about building physical stuff, but it's about building a connection between people and the living systems. This is why since 2013 I started several projects that connect architecture with agriculture, with technology, creating boundaries between people and the living system. The first project that I show you is called Jericho. It's a project super important to me because I've presented this project within the Italian pavilion dell'Ates Biennale. It's a project about the soil consumption. It's an important project to me, not only because it's inside the Italian pavilion, the Venice Biennale, but also because thanks to its territorial strategy, it can solicitate a paradigm shift for the architectural discipline toward a more ecosystemic approach. It can recover soil that don't have anymore the possibility to generate something eatable for people, thanks to a complex machine that I built by myself. So it's self-constructed like the other project that I show you. Outside Jericho, there is a meteorological machine station that detects the condition of the weather, while a drone fertilizes the most complex spaces. Like I was saying, the prototype was entirely self-built with 3D printing, using nodes and wooden nodes and other metal stuff that I connected in order to create this sort of robot that can go through the territories to detect the soil that doesn't work anymore, and then through the fertilizer giving again the possibility to recover the soil itself. Another project that I show you is called Sentorto. It's an interactive garden that was made in 2013 in Rome at the Palazzo dei Congressi in the neighborhood called Eur. It's an interactive garden because he has a meteorological station which detects humidity, temperature, and velocity of the wind, shaping a melody, a music that can change according to the variation of those parameters. So having a musical pattern that can change according to those variations, but also to the location of the garden. It can connect people thanks to the medium of music, of course, but also thanks to the seats, which are based on several triangles that can configure the project for endless spaces. So giving the possibility to the people to have a common space to talk, to meet themselves, to meet other people. It's also a social garden, so thanks to Arduino and other technologies, it can be you can start the irrigation of this garden thanks to an hashtag Sentorto drop on and Sentorto drop off. So it's a way to create something that can be shareable, that can be used by several people, and it's a common architecture. Another project is called Wunderbugs. In this project, I wanted to create a connection between entomology, the science that study insects, and architecture. So we have created this sort of circle, 5 meters wide. Within Wunderbugs, there are 6 ecosystems which are tracked by camera and other sensors. And thanks to Arduino, like Sentorto, can generate and modify music also according to another meadow station, in order to have an immersive space in which people can be more connected with architecture, and thanks to this element, you can get inside and forget everything that is happening outside. So it's a regenerative architecture to compensate the stress that you collect during your day, for example. We have presented this project at the Auditorium of Parco della Musica in Roma, and then we moved this project in Milan, adding some new stuff. For example, now the project can be, people can interact directly from outside, so they like an orchestra director, they can modulate the volumes inside the project, and then can be the real player, the real protagonist of the space. Another project is called Ziggy Zaggy. It's a permanent garden that we have built and designed in 2016 in Favara, which is a special place where I met also Michele Albanelli. It's a permanent garden that regenerated the periphery of Favara, which is a small town in the province of Agrigento. This is a private project that has been donated to the community. You can see the area like it was before the intervention, and then this project regenerated this space, which is 320 square meters, thanks to the population of these hexagons that can modulate themselves through the stairs, and then can connect people with nature and music, like the previous ones, like the other projects. The next project is called Un orto di nome Eva. It's dedicated to Eva Mameli Calvino, which was the first woman biologist in Italy. It's an open-air laboratory composed by 7 elements. I like very much the modularity of this project, like the other ones actually, because in general I conceive architecture as an open space, as an open discipline, in which people must be the real designer of the project. So we like making something that is open, that can be modified by people. This is an open air laboratory for children of an elementary school near Rome, so they can interact with agriculture. It's not technological like the other ones, because this time I wanted to let children to reconnect with their manuality, so they can work, they can grow vegetables, they can learn hydroponic agriculture, they can get insects from a space which is located on the left part of this laboratory. And those are other images that can let you know how the project is conceived for this courtyard. Children that interact with what they grew up. They can use water pumps to get in an analogical way the water from the lower part to the upper one. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and hope to see you maybe in person in Italy or even in Lima. I love to visit your country. So this is the website on my practice. Have a look. Enjoy the innovation fair. Talk soon. Bye bye. Ciao.